How to add protein shakes to MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. The app will appear in front of you and you can see here that how to add protein shakes. Click on the search bar that is appear here. Click on it, protein shakes, like I am going to write protein shakes. Different types of protein shakes will appear. You have to select the protein shakes according to the required calories, like I am going to select this. In this way, that how you can add, you have to click on select a meal, like I want to take it in breakfast. You can see here this option, click on it. In this way, food logged, it means that now open your diary here. You can see here your food protein shake is being added to your diet. You can see this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.